cool! Morph into an excavator!
The yearly water balloon beach castle competition is about to start. Kids against parents. Start building your sandcastles now. The castles are done. Now get out your water balloons.
Our castle is great. We are going to win.
Yeah, they're just little kids.
That was amazing! The kids win this award.
Haha, congratulations, kids. You won fair and square.
Let's play in the castle some more! Can I hold the award now, Morphle?
Look, Pirate Phil, it's a treasure.
So?
So, we are pirates, Pirate Phil. And what do pirates love? That's right, treasures. Yeah.
But they have a giant sandcastle, Pirate Maurice.
Yes, but we have a water balloon cannon.
Let's get them, guys! Balloons, Morphle. Dig a hole for me to sneak out. If you keep fixing the castle, I'll go get the water balloons. Daddy, we need more water balloons. The pirates won our award.
We don't have any more water balloons.
But we can fill up these with water.
Yeah, or this.
fire is almost ours! Huh? Pirate Phil! Fire the water cannon!
Hello, Mechanic Joe. What has happened?
I was just driving this truck when all of a sudden it stopped moving.
Morphle, morph into a bulldozer.
Wow, even Morphle can't move the truck.
We glued it with the world's stickiest glue that we stole from Professor Rashid.
Oh, the mud. I mean, the wrecking bandits.
We are no longer the wrecking bandits. We are now the glue bandits. Now that we have the world's stickiest glue, we can glue the mud machine back together and use it as a glue machine to cover the whole city in glue. Not in my city. Stop it right there, bandits. Tumbling test tubes. It seems that you have been glued stuck as well. This is an antidote. It stops the world's stickiest glue from working.
Yay!
There is more back in my laboratory, but I have no way to get it to everywhere in the city.
Oh, I know. Morphle can morph into a fire truck and spray the antidote on everything that's glued stuck.
It seems we're all set. Let's dissolve this sticky situation. Oh, no! Ah, it seems that the glue machine is held together with the world's stickiest glue. It will fall apart if the antidote touches it.
Thank you, Morphle, Mila, and Professor Rashid.
Now, I'll take these bandits to the police station. Thank you.
Look, Morphle! There is snow outside of Daddy's Magic Pet store. That's strange. Morphle, morph into a bulldozer. Now you can push the snow away.
Hi, Mila and Morphle. Thank you for getting rid of the snow. The snow was made by Atmo, a new magic pet. It can control the weather, but it's a bit naughty. Huh?
Atmo is gone.
And he's making a storm. We need to find it before its mischief gets out of hand. Oh no! I think it went that way.
Let's go. Uh-oh.
The path is blocked.
Not in my city.
Whoa!
Oh no! We need to find Atmo. Watch out!
Atmo! You need to stop the storm! It must not be able to hear me through the storm. Atmo! You need to... Oh!
Oh no!
Atmo. I know you like playing with the weather, but that was dangerous.
I have an idea. Here, Atmo can use his weather powers to help out. Morphle, morph into a real train. Let's go pick up Sarah in our train. Hi, Sarah. What you doing? Hi, Mila and Morphle. I was going to bring something very valuable to my uncle. That's cool! We could use Morphle the train to take you there. Yeah, that's a great idea.
Did you hear that? Those valuable goods will soon belong to us, the railroad bandits.
Oh no, look! Morphle, morph the train tracks into a looping!
Mila, Morphle, and Sarah, I'm so happy to see you. Could you use this marvelous train to bring these penguins to their friends at the Dolphinarium for a visit?
Sure! Step aboard the train, penguins! Look!
Hi, Mila, Morphle, and Sarah. I'm on my way to see the big monster truck race.
Why don't you hop aboard? We will give you a ride.
Really? Thank you.
We're almost at your uncle's place, Sarah. I can't wait to give him this. It's very valuable.
Finally, the valuable goods are ours.
Uncle!
Hi, Sarah. You boys are coming with me. Not in my city.